Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn that how to find a job in the city school. Okay, it's very easy process. You just need to type in a Google search engine or any search engine. Just type the city school and this website will appear at the top of it. The city school, welcome to the city school, and this is the official website. You just need to click on this link and it will redirect you to the main page of the city school website. And after that you need to select different options. If you are looking for a job, then you need to click on where okay, here is the main page, this one. Okay, right now I'm looking for job. I want to apply a job in the city school, so I need to select the career option over here and then click on apply now. And then you will get the interface just like that. Scroll down and here you will find the options over here. Here you can type a keyword. For example, it's written here marketing, Java, DBA, like that. Okay, and then here you need to select a date. For example, yesterday, last 3 dates, last 5 days or week. I've selected last month. And then you need to select a campus from here where you want to apply. For example, Bahawalpur, Attak, Ahmedabad, Chakwal, Cheshma, TG Khan, whatever. In my case, I have to select Chakwal campus. Okay, and after that you need to click on search. And then scroll down and you will find all the jobs over here, just like that. You will find all the jobs over here. Okay, now for example, I want to interested in this job. For example, teacher O level curriculum. Okay, and all the details written over here. Date posted 26 July, full-time employment status, application end on 30th August. This is the end date, and you need to click here, check this box, and now click on what, apply now. Click here, and then this login form will appear over here. If you have already you have registered on this website, then you need to enter just email in the password and click on login. Okay, otherwise you need to click on register, then select email over here, then enter your family name, then your first name. Okay, then you need to select a password, then click on the top right corner over here is a submit button. Click on submit. Okay, then password must be at least 8 characters long. Okay, let me enter the password again. Click on submit. Okay, password must not contain repeating characters. Okay, Then click on submit. If you want to save this password on your site, just click on save, and then what next? Create an account. Okay, file path, choose location. If you have a resume, you can create your profile and attach your resume to your account. If you do not have a resume, then provide your detail and we will create your resume online. Okay, if you have resume, yes, then click on choose file, and then you need to upload over here, then click on continue. You need to follow this process, it's very easy. Okay, let me find my resume over here. Okay, now here I have to select my resume, so I need to click on choose file location. Okay, and then I need to select a drive where I have saved this resume over here, faster resume. Just click here, open it, and it will be loaded over here. Done. Okay, yes, I have resume. Now click on continue. Okay, then enter your all information over here. There are total 5 steps over here, so you need to follow all these steps. Okay, any disability or illness, okay, language 1, language 2, okay, education background, industrial background, okay, educational industry background, emergency contact number. You need to enter over here emergency contact number. Have you ever been associated, if you are taking transfer, this is another branch of the city school, we need to click on that. Or after rejoining, okay, you are again want to join the city school, then you need to select this again. Okay, and here you need to enter your salary and expected salary over here, and then enter the address, all the details. Pakistan, address 1, address 2, city, country, postal code. Do you have relatives in the city school? Yes. Phone numbers and all the details, and then move to the next. Okay, yes, here is a check over here. Without filling this form, you are not able to proceed. So till here, it's very easy process. You just need to follow all these steps and get registered on this website. Okay, thank you very much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.